Hi Aries, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let's see what's coming up, Aries. We'll be picking few cards, guys, for your daily energies, your career situation, and your love energies, Aries. These are for your daily energies, Aries. This is for your career situation. We are picking two cards each, guys, and this is for your love energies. We will open the cards as we proceed, guys. For your daily energy series, Ace of Pentacles, Six of Pentacles, and Five of Swords in reverse. So with these cards here, guys, I see here that you are getting some new beginnings in your life, maybe in your work or in your personal life. Some possibility of prosperity, abundance, and promise of wealth, and you are reaping that great positive rewards for your hard work. Whatever efforts that you have made till now, that is reaching that successful completion, and you are reaping that success today, guys. That is what I see here. And maybe for some of you all, you are helping people, or people may be helping you. You have that team spirit or companionship in your life. So maybe in your work or in your personal life, your family, friends, or your colleagues, somebody, you have that positive deep relationship with them. You depend on them and they depend on you for support. So that is how your day is going. You look for people support, or people look for your help or support in their work, guys. That is what I see here. And maybe for some of you all, today you maybe there are certain situations where you would have felt overconfident about certain situations, guys. So you may feel that this success and whatever that you are achieving is because of your doing. It's all your doing, maybe. So you need to keep a check on that, guys. Watch out for that. Maybe sometimes it is the team spirit. So we see a card here that is pointing you towards that people support, or support from your friends or family. So you need to give them credit, understand that the success is also their work is also the reason for the success, guys. So what are the cards for your career situation? We will see. It's King of Pentacles in reverse and the Hermit in reverse. Maybe in your work situation, guys, you may feel certain stressful situations, certain things not happening as they should. Maybe you are maybe in your work situation, guys, you may be exercising certain precautions, like maybe before taking the next step, you want to think through and decide. Maybe that may prove as your weakness, something other people may see working against you, guys, in your career. So and also maybe certain truth or some news about your work, or some projects. Some people may be hiding the truth, so you need to be clearly aware of what you are getting into, guys. What is your work, and regarding your projects, or before you sign some important deals or whatever it is, you have to know the truth. So there may be people, or the situation may come up in such a way that you are not able to see through that deal or project clearly. So you have to have that clarity today. So you have to be quite careful today, guys. That is what I see with these cards. So there are things that are not being told to you, so you need to be aware of that fact. What are the cards for your relationship? It's Knight of Wands and Three of Wands. So with these cards here, guys, the energy is that maybe for some of you all, you are progressing, moving towards that what to say, the positives in this relationship. Maybe you want engagement or marriage or a commitment with this person. You share that great passion, intimacy and understanding with this person, guys, and you are quickly moving towards engagement or marriage. That is what I see here. And maybe for some of you all in this relationship, you may marry this person also, because we see that things are going towards a very positive way here, guys, for your relationship. Maybe if you have that deep understanding and love, you may reach marriage or engagement with this person, and this is the time you are getting that clarity in your relationship, that deep understanding, connection. You have that communication with them, that deep communication, deep connection with this person, and it's end of troubles for you guys. Maybe you would have faced certain stressful situations in this relationship, but all those are coming to an end, and you are going to see it through to engagement or wedding, guys. So you are quickly moving. Both of you have that clarity in this connection, that compatibility, and you are moving towards a very positive relationship here, guys. That is what I see with this card, Aries. So maybe you need to be careful in your career situation, guys. So the certain truth is not being told, so you have to be careful today, guys. That is what I see here. And other than that, we see that you are having a very positive relationship. Some good things are happening today, Aries, but you have to keep on check on your overconfidence. So in certain situations you may be overconfident, but you need to understand that if it is something related to your work, you have to see it through, get that clarity before taking that next step. So that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, Aries. Thanks again. I'll see you all tomorrow. Bye, guys.